Today we will start a new project. Let us go to File, Save As, and let's save it in Drive D. Create a new folder here. We'll give it a name, Project 2, and the file name will be Periodic Pipe Flow. Then we'll go to the component systems here. We'll drag our first component, geometry, and we'll drop it here in this block in the project schematic. Then we'll right click, then go to new design modeler. Okay, now we will create our pipe flow. So go to XY plane, click on here, look at face, and then we'll create from sketching our rectangle. We'll create from the center, and we'll put the dimensions. I need vertical and horizontal dimension. So for horizontal, we need to click on these two vertical lines and click anywhere, and you'll get this H1. So for this, I will give it dimension 0.2 meter, and let us zoom in. Here for vertical, I will click on these horizontal lines, and we have these V2, and I will give it 0.05 meter. So this is our final rectangle. Now we need to create a surface from sketch. To create surface, you need to go to concept and choose surfaces from sketches. And here we'll choose this and apply. Then generate. One more thing we need to do is to change this from solid to fluid and generate. After that, we need to save and close DesignModeler.